Hey guys, it's Marco from Nari Media, and today I'm going to show you guys a really cool tool that's also free, a certain amount of credits per day, but it's called Manus. And what this is a general AI agent that you deploy on the web, and it will build things for you, can launch a website. So yeah, stay tuned. I'm going to show you guys how to use this. I'm going to go through a demo, and yeah, here's kind of when you're logged in on the back end of Manus. And once again, you're also going to see you have the sidebar here for your tasks, and I'm going to show you just some of the power of this. So for example, this is a periodic elements app. So you can kind of just see the power of this. So here is a replay of, you type your prompt in here. It's going to start, you can actually watch its window and all the tasks it's doing. So if you break this out, you can see it's working on the research from multiple sources. It's going to convert, then it's going to design, implement HTML, create custom CSS. So this is for creating a web app that takes electromagnetic frequency colors produced by elements into a periodic chart. It's using JavaScript to play the sounds when symbols are pressed. And yeah, you can see all the research it's doing. It's building, it'll implement the site. So what we can do now, show you guys here. It's just going and going and going. And there, you can download the app. So let's skip down to the results. And here we are. So there you can see, when you click on the element, it's playing the frequency. And you can do different sounds. So volume bar. So it built this app. So this is another way to build apps really easy. You get you get the AI agent to do it. I had another tutorial where it was on Cursor to build it, but this is a little easier, and this is kind of where we're going with everything. So yeah, check out Manus. You do get free credits every day at 5 o'clock, 300 credits. And you can load it up. So yeah, try it out if you guys haven't yet. It's an amazing. You can see all the case studies here of other things it's done. For example, watch this. Here is a 3D photo gallery with poems. So let's view the replay here. So these are photos I took. My dream is to have a photography exhibition. Can you create an online 3D gallery website with the photos I uploaded? I want each one to be accompanied by a short poem, 2 lines that look pleasing to the eye. So that's one prompt. You can ask ChatGPT to help you with a prompt for Manus. Say I'm using an AI agent that's going to go out and build, collect, deploy the website, and then test the performance. So let's skip to the results here. And here's the website that it deployed, all with one prompt. So you can control, drag, and zoom. It's the 3D gallery of all the pictures. And there's between shadow and light, we find ourselves momentary travelers in time's endless journey. So pretty cool, very cool. Just to show you as well other cases that you can create if you go on Manus, just to check it out. But look, you can even create video games and apps. So I'm gonna put this in English. Obviously it's someone from the Netherlands must have made this, but look, play. So this was all made with a prompt. But here, and look, they added a shop and back to menu. So if we go to this window, you can see other things too. Like this person built a full website and deployed. They built a whole site with Manus. So this is the future. It's like, I'm showing these other tools how you can do it, but this tool does everything. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got some other really cool stuff coming tomorrow.